What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we're checking out this Tomb Raider inspired demo that I have built in Unreal Engine 5.3, all maxed out with nanite and lumen running on my RTX 4090. So this asset pack is actually free for this month of April, so if you're quick you can still grab it for free. And also is from the creator Liberty Studios, which is a friend of mine, and they make a lot of cool bundles every so often, which I promote them in my channel with cool partnerships, so stay tuned for that too in the future. Anyway, so I basically throw echoes, you can see the character of one of the demos of Unreal Engine 5, and it integrates so cool to this environment. It reminds me of, Uncharted, Tomb Raider, or something similar. So I just, was making this video to kind of inspire you guys to make games in Unreal. And look how cool this looks. It literally took me 5 minutes to build this demo up. Of course, I'm using two assets, let's say, the character and the environment, but still, now it is easier than ever to make this kind of AAA looking games in Unreal Engine with no time. And there's no gameplay capabilities, okay, so I can just walk around the level and so on, but if I was just spend a few hours, we could definitely add some puzzles into this demo and make it a true Tomb Raider experience in no time. So definitely, this is crazy. And of course here I'm also to show Unreal Engine 5's power and how it looks. It is so cool. If I go and eject from here, we can see the environment, and first of all how cool the character looks. I mean, look at the quality. But not only that, but also the environment is very detailed, as you can see. Now this asset pack, I think it has a bit of time, okay? It actually was only made in the start for Unreal Engine 4, and why do I say this? Well, that's because by default nanite and lumen wasn't enabled in the level, so I had to manually convert it, but of course it took me like 2 minutes, and now yes, it looks amazing. But still, even though this asset is slightly old, let's say, and that's why also it's free for a month right now, it still looks absolutely amazing, and I'm so happy with how it looks. I know that there's some glitching going on over there, I'm not sure why, okay, but just forget that, it's a quick showcase demo, okay, so just let's hide that over there. But overall I think that it looks amazing. I added some rain sounds and some like ambient tense music in the background. Maybe it's not noticeable because, well, I'm recording with my mic higher than the computer audio, but you get the idea. Now I also have been making more videos of this, right, like a demo showcasing Unreal Engine with my RTX 4090, showcasing like a cool environment with a cool character. And it's a trend that I would like to get more going in the Unreal Engine 5 community. I think that if we all would make more videos like this, right, overall, just showcasing cool mini demos that we can build, even though they're with assets, we can inspire a lot of people, and it's a thing that I would like to do more, and that you guys seem to be liking. And if you want to to overall get like a demo like this one, or Temple of Sun that I reviewed a couple weeks ago, and just expand it with actual mechanics, like for example here we can convert it into an actual Tomb Raider game, go ahead and drop a like and leave it in the comments, because I think that we can make cool stuff with it. Anyway, with that said, you can get this environment for free right now. It's free for the month in Unreal Engine for this month of April, so act quick. With that said, guys, if you found this video interesting, I would really appreciate it. You can like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos hand to throw, so check them out. Check my Patreon YouTube members for many benefits. Join my Discord server to talk to me and to the devs. Follow me on my socials. And now, yes, with all said, bye.